If you're a content creator and have been using Adobe Photoshop, then you might have seen this error on your MacBook or a Windows PC. This is asking about the license. And if you didn't purchase the license, then of course this message will pop up there. In the past, I created some videos about this error message and solving this issue on macOS, and there are a lot of other videos about solving this issue on PC. But here I have two dedicated videos and many of them already solve this problem. But if you still want to use Adobe Photoshop but the error message is there, then I got you covered with another tool that is more likely Adobe Photoshop. Here you just go to a browser and type Photopea. I call it Photopea. Some people say it is Photopea and some say Photopea or something. Anyway, whatever it is, you can just go to simply this website, and here you can see the list of files. It is supporting PSD file, Photoshop files, and AI and XD and AFIG, sketch and PDF raw and any other file. We are going for the new project, and here I can choose a thumbnail size, and if I make it full screen, you can see all these functionalities are same like Adobe Photoshop. Here you can get the lasso tool and polygon, and here different options are about magic tools and quick selection, and here cropping tools and other pencil icons and everything. The most beautiful thing about this one is it's completely free, and you can also import an existing project. Let's say I'm gonna import a file that is already PSD file or Photoshop file. Here I have a PSD file. If I open this file, and it will open all the layers as they were made in Adobe Photoshop. So you can manipulate, once again, go full screen and manipulate everything you want to. If you want a dedicated tutorial on how to use this one, because it works same like Adobe Photoshop, so if you want that dedicated tutorial, then write in the comment section. I will cover a detailed video about how to use this one with different elements, maybe removing the background or doing stuff without paying anything. Let's say I'm gonna write text here, hello, and it's very small, but you can still like see it is somewhere here. Here is a text I can grab. Here is one picture I can grab. This was one of my thumbnails I created. Everything is working same like Adobe Photoshop. So write in the comment if you need a dedicated long tutorial about using it for thumbnails or for videos or manipulating other images. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.